Hello and welcome to this video on how to access free ebooks from the Cloud Library. I'm Annette and I will walk you through the process. Where to begin? We will start by going to the Fort Fairfield Public Library website at fortfairfieldlibrary.org. From here, you will click on Other Online Resources. So now let's go to the cloud. Click on Cloud icon. From here, you will log in. Click on Login, have your library card ready. Type in your library card ID, click on Login, and then you will accept terms. So from here, I recommend you explore. Go to the filters, search for specific titles or authors, or sort. This is similar to filters, sort by title, author, publication date, or recent editions. I'm going to do my sort with North Star YA books. From here, you choose a book, but do you want just text or an audiobook? After making your choice, you will then click on Borrow. It will take you to a new screen, and you click on Read from here. The book will download, and woohoo! Here is your book. From here, you can turn pages, you can set bookmarks, you can set font size, anything that you need. So when you've finished reading, what do? You log back into your account, you click on My Books, and then underneath your book, you can click on Return. Now you'll see that it says expires. You can either click on Return or wait till it expires, but you can't have a new book until you return the first one. If you liked using the Cloud Library, next time you go to log in, download the app. It will go on your tablet, your phone, or your iPad. Do you have questions? Or do you need help? Call the library. Jen and her staff will happily give you a hand. Here are my references for this video. Thank you.